superbly awesome. So today I'm going to create this look which is inspired from the song 440 Volt from the movie Sultan. Yes, Anushka Sharma did this look and I got really inspired from her look and I thought of creating this look because I love these smoky eyes, pink lips and a very this contouring look. I did a lot of contouring to match like her. Of course I'm not looking like her because this is an inspired look. If you want to see how to create this look, then please keep on watching. So to start up this look, I'm using this tape, just applying it onto the outer corner of my eye area just to secure my eyeshadow in place and avoiding it to move everywhere. Just to secure it, I'm using this tape. Now I'm using this Inglot base primer just to make my eyeshadow stay on place for the longer period of time. So I'm just nicely applying it onto my all over eyelid area, and then I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette and I took that nude brown color shade and just giving giving a wash of that color. And then I'm using this one shade lighter that is completely nude color. Just it will act as a transition color. Then I'm using this black color from that same Makeup Revolution palette and I'm just patting it all over my eyelid area. Now frankly telling you guys, I wasn't satisfied with this color so much because I wanted my black color to be really very pigmented. So later on I moved to using some other kajal just to make it very dark. Now I'm using this plum kajal pencil and tightlining my upper and lower eyelash line. This plum kajal is really very good and very pigmented. So yes, and they are these are long lasting one too. Then I took this L'Oreal kajal pencil and I thought it will be really very dark and pigmented, but nope. Then I used this Biotique kajal and yes, this was the color which I wanted for this look. So finally I got it with this kajal. So you can move down to use a kajal directly for this look. So yep, now I'm blending it off properly with the help of this blending brush. Then I took a small eyeshadow, black color eyeshadow, and just applied it onto my lower lash line. I'm removing off this tape and I'm going to clean off everything extra fallouts and all. So I'm just cleaning off my face with the help of this wet tissue paper. I'm using this L'Oreal base Magic smoothing primer and applying it onto all over my face, basically where I sweat a lot. I'm applying there, and this is amazing primer. It glides on your face so easily. I just love this primer so much. This is one of my favorite primer, you can say now. So I'm just applying it onto my face nicely, gently. Then I'm taking this Lakme CC complexion care cream and I'm using this. I'm not using any kind of foundation today. I'm using this Lakme CC cream. So yes, I'm blending it off with the help of this beauty blender which I got from Forever 21. This beauty blender is really so good. It makes your foundation or BB or CC cream looks so flawless. I just loved this product so much. It's really very good. And yes, I'm just applying and blending it off properly just to get a flawless finish like Anushka was having in this look. After that, I'm taking this Sheer Cover Concealer in the light shade and I'm just applying wherever I want to conceal and highlight. So I'm just applying it onto my under eye dark circle areas, creating a triangle form. Then bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid bows, corner of my lips. Yes. With the help of the beauty blender which I got from Forever 21, I'm just blending it off properly, tapping it, not dragging it, just tapping it. Now I'm taking this Quaker Aloe Essence. It acts as a highlighter for me. It's basically a BB cream, but I use it as a highlighter. I just feel that it is like a dupe for Color Bar Illuminating Spot Illuminating Cream. So you know, this acts as a highlighter so well, and I love the glow it gives to my skin. Then I'm using this eyebrow pencil in black color and filling and shaping up my eyebrows like Anushka was having in this look, fuller eyebrows. So I'm trying to make like that. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal Kajal and applying it properly again, just you know, reapplying the Kajal just to make it more sharper. And I'm taking this L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact and just setting down everything on place with this compact. This compact is really very good for oily skin. I'm taking this Color Essence HT mascara and applying generous amount of it because I'm not using any kind of fake eyelashes. Now I'm taking this Victoria's Secrets eyeshadow palette and applying that champagne color as a highlighter. Now I'm taking this Freedom Bronzed palette just to highlight, to contour my nose, my jawlines. Anushka was having a very contoured look in this, in the song, and I'm not having a slim face like her, nor even I have a sharp features like her, so I have to make like that. So I'm using lots and lots of this product just to contour my features just like her. I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer and again nicely highlighting and contouring properly. Taking this Dream Touch blush from Maybelline and applying it onto my cheeks just to make it rosy kind. Then on top of that, I'm applying this Cheek Glow from Maybelline again. This champagne color highlighter from that palette, Victoria's Secrets, and highlighting all my features. And I'm taking this Color Bar lipstick in pink color. I found this little bit lighter. I wanted more brighter for this look, so I switched to Color Bar liquid matte lipstick, this one, and I found this was the better one for this look, and then removed off the excess with the help of this tissue paper. So finally I am now done with this look, and I just added this Mantika just to look like completely like her. So yeah, finally I am done with this look. With that, we come to the end of this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. This look is seriously very, glamorous and very edgy kind. Lots of contouring, black smoky dark eyes, pink lips, and a Mantika. She's having some silverish kind of. I didn't have, so I thought of putting this heart-shaped one, which is a little bit matching to her Mantika. So yes, and she was wearing some black color jacket with studs and all. I wasn't having, so I thought of wearing a normal black color top. And yes, if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up. And please guys, this is an inspired makeup look. Don't say that you're not looking like her, or you didn't do makeup like her. Of course I did not. It's just an inspired look, and I tried to look like her because I seriously liked her look so much, and I thought of sharing with you all, how to create this look in my manner. So So yep, if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And yes, of course, to take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye. Good luck.